Hello, my name is Jess, and I'm here to tell you all about the plants and animals that we saw and learned about during our trip to Belize. Belize is located in Central America and contains both tropical rainforest inland and coral reef on its coastlines. This makes it home to all sorts of plants and animals. In fact, it is thought that Belize contains over 17,000 plant species, 145 mammalian species, 139 species of reptiles and amphibians, and over 500 species of exotic birds. Now that's a lot of wildlife for a small country. Belize's national animal is the tapir, a large pig-shaped animal with a short foraging snout. Also known as the mountain cow, they are currently categorised as an endangered species in Central and South America. Other mammals that Belize is renowned for are jaguars, a large predatory big cat, ocelots, a smaller big cat with excellent climbing abilities, and coati-mundis, a raccoon-looking animal with long noses and claws. Perhaps the most well-known and loved mammals of Belize, though, are its famous black howler monkeys, which we discovered take their name very seriously. We were extremely lucky to get very close to these monkeys in their natural habitat, which was amazing but very loud. Aside from howler monkeys, a much more quiet breed of monkey that Belize holds is the spider monkey. These guys have very long limbs and tails and live way up high in the top layer of the rainforest, otherwise known as the canopy. Belize's national bird is the keel-billed toucan, but it is also home to the critically endangered scarlet macaw, which most people would otherwise call a South American parrot. In addition to these birds, we also saw harpy eagles and other parrot species. Mainly this was on our visit to Belize Zoo. At the smaller end of the spectrum, Belize is also home to all sorts of bugs, creepy crawlies and reptiles. Some are pretty cool, such as these hard-working leafcutter ants that carry pieces of leaf up to 3 times their size all day long. But there were also some that were rather scary, such as these tarantulas. This particular one was found in the bathroom on the first day. In the rainforest, there was also a large variety of plants that were very different to those that you would find back home in the UK. Belize's national flower is the black orchid, a small pretty flower that is commonly found growing on the trunks of trees. Another very important plant that we learned about was the fishtail palm, named because of its resemblance to a fish's tail. Although these plants look a lot less pretty and a lot more boring than the black orchid, they are worth a lot more money. Here is a video taken whilst trekking through the rainforest. What similarities and differences can you see in comparison to the woodland areas that we get back in the UK? Although we stayed mainly inland during our time in Belize, some of us were lucky enough to experience some of its marine life by going snorkeling. There, we saw nursery sharks, a variety of different ray fish, including stingrays and manta rays, and lots of beautiful and very coloured coral reef. We had to be careful not to touch this as it is very delicate and easily ruined. For those who stayed behind in accommodation rather than going snorkeling, some of the marine life even paid a visit to them. This hermit crab was found scuttling around in our hotel. I hope this video has provided you with some idea of the amazing wildlife and plant life available in Belize. Thanks for watching and feel free to get in touch with our group with any questions you may have. Bye!